Excuse me, miss. Do you accept any Visa card here?
Yeah.
Thank
You want a bag?
yeah. Here. Is this?
Tap it here.
Here.
Leave it down.
Do you want me to close this?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
I don't know how.
Oh, see, this is my first time na ginamit ko tong Visa card ko dito sa US. Oh my God! Tignan ko kung magkano yung, yung charge. Kasi may charge naman. Tapos, may tax na bayad. Tignan ko. Wait lang. Ito yung resibo. So, hala. Oh, yung tax lang 0.07. Tapos yung kano to? Titignan ko yung yung charge sa Visa card na ginamit ko, yung GoTime. Oh my God, this is my first time, promise, na ginamit ko. Yung nag-iisip ako, gusto ko talaga gamitin yung Visa card ko, pero baka malaki yung charge, ganon. Nag-alinlangan talaga ako, pero ngayon trinay ko. Tapos ito yung price at saka yung tax 0.07 lang nakuha, and then wala siyang charge, hala, wala siyang charge, promise. Thank you, nagamit ko din, nagamit kita.